Hey there, Stampin' friends. It's the end of January and we have sketch number 72 for today. We're going to be creating with the Bright and Beautiful DSP, and I'm just pairing it with basic white. Now, I have 4 different panels. These are scraps from previous projects, and I'm going to use my smallest stylish shaped die square and die cut 2 squares from each of those prints. Now I'm going to set my happy birthday onto one large block, and then I'm going to stamp the Berry Burst ink onto a larger die cut square. Now, these are all the parts and pieces. We have many for the project, and you can get all the details on the mini tutorial email subscription. So don't panic, just subscribe. Now start by folding your card base in half and giving a good crease with your bone folder. This is how I'm going to lay out my different squares onto my mounting piece. Once I've decided out my layout, I'm going to move them each off the background panel and start slowly. You can see I started with the left-hand side squares. I lined them up with good spacing. Then I added the center squares next, and finally I go back to the right-hand side and I put on the last 3 squares. You can see I lined up the 2 in the middle on the right with the top and bottom of that larger square. Then I take that whole panel that's been prepared and put it on dimensionals and pop it up on the front of my card. So I hope the way I broke this down for you is helpful so you can case this project easier. Remember, leave me a comment, let me know if you'll give it a try, and you know you can find me at pumpkinhillstampers.com. Subscribe here to this channel, leave me a comment, and I'm always happy to answer any questions. Have a great day and do some fun stamping!